It's hardcore crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Litecoin. Now, Litecoin has been performing very well, guys. If you should ask me, I would say Litecoin has been performing so very well. Now, with the look of things, okay, if we are to be asked, okay, what should we be expecting from Litecoin? I would say more upside for Litecoin, guys. More upside for Litecoin because based on my previous analysis, everything has been going well. You could see we broke out of this major resistance from the weekly time frame right here. If you look at the weekly time frame, you could see we broke out of this resistance, and ever since we did that, we've been sending for 2 weeks now. What should we be expecting right now? If I should take this away, you could see that we've broken above a major resistance after we found support at this level right here. You could see we found support within this level right here at $110. We found support within that range. Now, what should we be expecting next from Litecoin? Now, I just have to put that there because if you look at it from the daily time frame, there is also like some level of support around that level too. So it's from the weekly time frame that this Fibonacci is actually playing a major role. So if we move to the weekly time frame, first and foremost, just for us to see what is happening with Litecoin, we can see that we've broken a major resistance, which is at $128. So we've broken above that resistance, and because we've broken above that resistance, a retest is to be expected. So maybe we could get a little bit of pullback at 128.563. With good support, we will definitely be breaking above this other resistance right here. And if we break above this resistance, our next other resistance, so there's a lot of resistances right here, so our next resistance is going to be roughly $140, and if we find support around here, there's a possibility that we'll break above this resistance to rally much higher, and our next resistance after that is going to be $151. Now, in terms of this resistance right here, if you look at this one, probably the monthly time frame right here, you could see over here that this is a very huge resistance that we'll be breaking from. And if we are able to break above this resistance and we test that level, guys, there's a possibility that we will see Litecoin over $400, guys. We will see Litecoin riding over $400. I'm not even capping with you guys. This coming bull run, we could see Litecoin heading over $500-400. So you guys should be on the lookout for that. But for now, we could see that Litecoin is doing very well. Now, worst case scenario, if we don't hold support around this level at $128, there is a probability that we could dump all the way down here. But while we are dumping, I don't see us like dumping that low. We could just find support within this range right here, because as you can see, there is a level of support around this within this range right here. So which is very good to see, especially on the daily time frame right here. There's a level of support around here, so we shouldn't ignore this. So from the daily time frame, from the daily angle, if we look at this right here, if we get a dump below $128, get a retest, there's a possibility that we'll definitely find support within this range right here at 118. Then we could may probably consolidate within this range until we finally break out. So this is to be expected. Worst case scenario, will drop to 118. Yep, that's all I can say for now. So if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week. Peace out.